Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and fix something went wrong problem right there in your YouTube app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you are having those kind of problems, there could be some reasons. For the very first reason that you can make sure and clear out is, go ahead, open your Play Store, or if you have your iOS, go ahead, open your App Store, go ahead, search bar and type in the YouTube and check if your app is updated or not. As you can see, even in my case, my app needs to be updated. Go ahead, tap on the update your app, and that is one way to short your lags and some frequent error to encounter. Once you're done doing that, if it's still not fixing, go ahead, open your settings over here, go ahead, find this option called app, tap on apps over here again, and now search YouTube or G Store. Apparently in my phone I need a G space for me to access YouTube, so I have this particular application. Once you go to your mobile YouTube storage, go tap on the storage option. Now what you're gonna do is simply tap on this clear cache option and go ahead, clear your cache. So for me, I have G space where I need to download it because I need to get access. Otherwise you can go ahead, search your YouTube and clear your cache from your settings. Once done, go ahead, you can go now and use the app as you would like to. So yes guys, these are some of the options you can make sure of your app and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.